My show, Wisdom and Song. Thank you.
Hello, Cambridge. Do you or anyone you know need childcare? Come visit the Margaret Fuller House, where we have both an after-school program and a summer program for children ages 5 to 12. Why send your children to the Margaret Fuller House? We offer a fun, family-friendly environment that supports your child's learning and growth, and we have tons of fun activities, including gardening, cooking, sailing, sports, arts, and tons of exciting field trips.
Oh yeah, the beginning, the beauty, the culture, the colors. Oh yeah.
Unbelievable. We're right in the mix of it.
Cambridge Carnival, 2013. It's so surreal. Oh, the beauty. Oh, the sounds, the trucks. Oh yeah, the bounce. Caribbean Festival, the beginning. The 21st anniversary, the beginning. I know you at home viewing this. Wow. The free spirit of the Caribbean comes to Cambridge. The 21st anniversary.
My name is Bill Hamill, and the idea came to me spontaneously to have a show called Wisdom and Song. If anybody out there has ideas the way I have, something different than the regular run-of-the-mill TV that we see every day. For example, who gets on TV and talks about wisdom? And who gets on and tries to sing old-fashioned songs that are not popular? I do. And this is what makes it interesting for me, and what makes it more beautiful, because the truth is beauty and beauty is truth. And I hope you tune in at around 4:30 every second Tuesday of the month and every fourth Tuesday of the month to listen to my show, Wisdom and Song. Thank you.
I am doing this for 17 years now.
Walking on a dream. How can I explain? Talking to myself. Will I see again? We are always running for the thrill of it, always pushing up
It's my therapy, you know. It's like I used to have another work, you know, a regular work in an office, in a company have a regular job, but for me, I need that, you know, like to it's my therapy. Like I like doing this with the music, with the people. When I was a little kid, I used to do something different, like drawing a Mickey Mouse or something like that. And being in high school, I took 3 years of industrial drawing, you know, so I always was inclined to like art. And so when I have the opportunity, because this kind of art is cheap, the material is cheap, you know, it's like $2, $3, $5. Spray paint, the bottle, and the poster paper is very cheap, you know, so you don't really need a lot of stuff to do that, you know, like brushes, paper.
Welcome to the Disabled and Limbless Veterans Association website. My name is Dominic Marcelino. I am a Marine Corps Vietnam veteran and the recipient of a Purple Heart and a Bronze Star. I am also a triple amputee. I personally understand the challenges that disabled and limbless veterans face. These challenges can seem insurmountable to those facing them. Myself and other fellow veterans have started a non-profit organization called Disabled and Limbless Veterans Association Incorporated. The focus of this organization is to raise awareness about our fellow veterans who need assistance and funds to help them out when returning home from the battlefield. I would like to invite you to join us in making a difference in a disabled or limbless veteran's life. Here are some ways you can help. Membership. If you are or a disabled or limbless veteran or just wish to volunteer your time, you can join our organization. We always need help with activities ranging from fundraising to visits to VA facilities. You can find a membership application on our website. Donations. Every dollar you donate will be greatly appreciated, and no amount is too small. 100% of your donation will go to helping these veterans in their time of need. Coming home disabled or limbless has its setbacks, but with your contribution, you can help make the veterans' transition a little bit easier. In addition, your donation will allow us to continue funding programs for these brave men and women. License plates. We have designed a license plate approved by the Registry of Motor Vehicles to be issued to veterans, their family members, and others who wish to show their support for veterans. Proceeds will go to the disabled and limbless veterans.
Tíogaibh Hartes Misha Kit agus tá mé ráis a rís an seo agus an chláir seo ná cean go Celtach agus leanráid leis an scéal Harry Potter agus an Urchlar agus Harry Potter Mayan or Athrónid so mar sin leanmid a rá agus cach mé sa gcóranál agus cá rammuid. Bhí muid a caint faoi Harry Potter agus an Irish okay, cá muid. Okay, Támad an seo. Hui sé rumpú go firmáil na fórise. D'irdigh sé an lampa agus háirtí dóibh cosán chuil lúbach a bhí ag dul as rarc faoi na crainn thuúbha thuútha. Tháinig lochne, éadrom, ruiche, a thóg an rug ar gluigean agus iad ag orc isteach san éiris. Okay. Dinne dhí a how oid a goidwig davliad car gemean iddi gochraevan who forch in a chluber príth ach eith Harry, Hermione a Hagrid hyd a chluber chwith a machlid nevid a fang are they. The forest is black and silent. Away into it, they reached a fork in the earth path, and Harry, Hermione, and Hagrid took the left path, while Malfoy, Neville, and Fang took the right. Hui sé rumpú go firmáil na fórise, d'irdigh sé an lampa agus háirtí dóibh cosan cuil lubach a bhí ag dul as bharc faoi na cruinn thuúbha glúcha. Tháinig locha, éadrom, ghuiche, thóg an grúig ar gluigean agus iad ag arc isteach san éiris. Brath na gí an siúd ar sa Hagrid, bhecinn sibh an stuff measta sin ar an talamh, stuff bhfuil lonamh airgid inte. So bhí muid níos fuide. Okay. Bhí muid hís sin. Bhí an éiris dúmh dorcha ciúin, tamil beag isteach an tháinig siad ar ghaall sa chosán, agus thóg Harry agus Hermione agus Hagrid an cosán clé agus chuí Malfoy agus Neville agus Fang ar dheis. Hiúil siad rumpó go tosteach agus a grán na dalamh acu ach gach rééis seall hagu ga geala trí na brantí ag solsiúil ar fáiste. Díl thuram airgeadúil éon bheanaí ar na dúlóga fiolta faoin na gosa. Deacan Harry go raibh an imrí ar Hagrid. Arb éidir go cynreaach atá ag maró na néon bheanach ar sa Harry. Ní bhéidir gasta golóir ar sa Hagrid, ní fuairste bhreith ar éon bheanach ana bheith iad a bhfuil dríocht thuachtach acu. Níor ól domsa ceann a bheith gortathe riamh riva. Céir palb in this style I chligad a ddair. Bob hín a hín Llil orchi pelidir or is chléad dúr brigai iw chichben o olani smotin o wneud arian a dail crin dan draid. Gwili Harry vod golwg bryderus iawn Hagrid. Achai blythe ddynion fod in chláidir unicorn go bhfuinneodd Harry. Ddim yn ddigon cyflym meddai Hagrid. Di o ddim in hawl dal unicorn. Mae'n hwn gredioridyd chledrydol grimus iawn. Chwys y riod am un difrifo o'r blaen. They walked in silence, their eyes on the ground. Every now and then a ray of moonlight shone through the branches above and lit a spot of silver blue blood on the fallen leaves. Harry saw that Hagrid looked very worried. Could a werewolf be killing the unicorns? Harry asked. Not fast enough, said Hagrid. It's not easy to catch a unicorn. They're powerful magic creatures. I never knew one to be hurt before. Hill siad har wulan crin ara clinach ag fas air. Hula Harry gloriska, hachashe gara shuchan ach egan an ake lava. Vi corspata dul ein vani fos ergusan lubach. Well, tis a carcalor Hermione sa Hagrid go hísol. Na vi borcha ni féidir go bhfuil sé imi a wad agus ag gorta ho donna sin agus féitfamid a go an trin live. Orthin hu vind hebio a vonkov nis muso good, chuai Harry dinkiel duor and chredig, roid forth in chrula gerchlau. Ima ac acor hyd a chluver trachlog roedd deverion o wide unicorn i'w gweld o hyd. Wyt ti'n iawn, Hermione, sybridodd Hagrid. Paid a phoeni. Feder o ddim fod wedi mynd imhech os idi o wedi brifio cyn ddrwg a hyn ac yna feder ni. Elk ti Kevin goeden na. They walked past a mossy tree stump. Harry could hear running water. There must be a stream somewhere close by. There were still spots of unicorn blood here and there along the winding path. You're all right, Hermione, Hagrid whispered. Don't worry, it can't have gone far if it's this badly hurt. And then we'll be able to get behind that tree. Rug Hagrid Harry agus Hermione agus scub ó halamh iad a go crán mór darach. Harann sé said agus chuir sa chrosmhógála í. An sin dardaí sé an bála ré le scuilú. Déist an trúr acu. Bhí rud éigean ag slúdernach thar na dúlóga fiolta, mar bheith clóca tharraingt a talamh. Bhí Hagrid ag blinkáil síos an cosán dorcha ach a gan cúpla second bhí an imi as. Bhís aga mé session faoine anal, tá rud éigean iste an seo nach bhfuil ceart. Conracht in sa Harry. Níor chunreacht bith é sin na éonmhanach ach chomh beag sa Hagrid go dúr. Cart Lanagamisha ag Aradív Anish. Woli siad an siúl roint agus clúas orchu leis an bhúm bálú bit. Gataban I blaso gré gute amach grumpu hori rud aigen gacínte derfa. Cuthrod Hagrid I Harry a Hermione gan I gweithio Oli chlubber a chwilio I tí Kevin I goiden Thoran anverch. Tinod saich achan I gosad in I vla ina I godin barad I saithi. Granda wood a tree. Chlichtri Hrubach dros the dial crin gerchal. Sunian debig I glogan in chlisco hyd a ddair. Craffi Hagrid a vunir chluber tuach. Onder all ichedig Eliadai tawelod isun. Roining gwybod meddi dan I wint ma na hrubeth ima na dhila vod. Blythin ar gruinod Harry. Dim blythin on hunna ach need unicorn oid o chwaith meddi Hagrid in Horan. Lawn, Dimnuk V in avalis of valis. In mind who of Aravach gan glistfenio am smic chliaf osun. In sudden mewn planarch oi blenai simidoth hruveth. Hagrid seized Harry and Hermione and hoisted them off the path behind the towering oak. He pulled out an arrow and fitted it into his crossbow, raising it ready to fire. The three of them listened. Something was slithering over dead leaves nearby. It sounded like a cloak trailing along the ground. Hagrid was squinting up the dark path, but after a few seconds the sound faded away. I knew it, he murmured. There's something in here that shouldn't be. A werewolf, Harry suggested. That wasn't no werewolf and it wasn't no unicorn neither, said Hagrid grimly. Right, follow me, but be careful now. They walked more slowly, ears straining for the faintest sound. Suddenly, in a clearing ahead, something definitely moved. Ke ta shin, escort Hagrid. Taspan hu hain. Ma ta me armhe. Agus a stick sa blaso gle and far vian, no capel. Shees gacum bar a ra grua agus feso grua ach asud shees vi cullen capelon. Mar ve capel snasta don rua agus erable fada rua La and veil Harry agus Hermione. Och tu henata an a ronan sa Hagrid agus fuisaver. Kekawoltu. Hook she came hun tasi agus frock lav lesh and gainter. Alita ein vana gortaha a mech olasir bit agat fuishin. Fuisin na galod Hagrid doch golag ma gin alpha. Aker clanarch daith I din oido ne gevel. Ucheven gwalsk din barvo gwach goch idoid on isu roid corf cavel clown caster and disclair. Ag ido given here gochlid. Sirthioth kegan Harry Hermione or Agar. Oh, chadis na kochguin that I Hagrid round chudide. Shituti. Who's there, Hagrid called. Show yourself, I'm armed. And into the clearing came, was it a man or a horse? To the waist a man with red hair and beard, but below there's a horse's gleaming chestnut body with a long reddish tail. Harry and Hermione's jaws dropped. Oh, it's you, Ronan, said Hagrid in relief. How are you? Agus inish, nil ein am faki agon, so kachame reti and blúdas gomach, agus béimmuid an I gan seachtainna le cúna dé, agus tá súlagam go méid sibh ag féchant orm I gan seachtainna, agus leanmuid leis an scéal Harry Potter agus an orchlách, agus tá súlagam go méid sibh an le héisteacht deir an scéal, tá muid beagnach deir leis an scéal, agus mar sin, sin mo chuid agus bé mé an I gan seachtainna le cúna dé.